The investment is aiming to allow Duferco Travi Profilati to be one of the most important players in beam production in Europe. The goal is to achieve competitiveness and efficiency at top level in Europe. The investment was split in different suppliers. So the main equipment of the rolling mill was purchased from SMS, global leader in heavy section mill equipment. The reheating furnace for blooms was purchased from Bendotti. The partnership between the two groups goes far back in the past because in our plant in Giammoro we have a Bendotti reheating furnace. It was active since 2007, giving extraordinary performance up to now. So the reference of Bendotti in Duferco is outstanding because of this previous collaboration in Giammoro. This particular investment we were valuing particularly timing, so delivery timing from suppliers, and the pre-assembling process that Bendotti offered us was very competitive on a time delivery point of view. And this was a key aspect for us because, again, we are looking for efficient delivery and very quick startup with this investment. The possibility of using hydrogen or hydromethane instead of methane is something we looked into with Bendotti. We believe hydrogen is a key component to substitute fossil fuels as methane. We believe that it was absolutely necessary to be sure in having in the near future the possibility to use hydrogen instead of gas. Bendotti was absolutely available to look into it with us and supplying technological solution that were already in place in other plants. We don't know when hydrogen will be cost competitive, but we don't know if we are going to use hydrogen produced directly in San Zeno through an electrolyzer, or if it will be hydrogen supplied by other producers. But we wanted to be comfortable about the fact that when needed, the reheating furnace, which is for electric arc furnace, the last big center of production of CO2, we wanted to be comfortable about the fact that we could switch to hydrogen completely, and Bendotti was completely ready to follow this task, and hence also over there we are not regretting the choice of Bendotti.